how to enable Copilot in Microsoft Word 365. Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to enable the Copilot in Microsoft Word 365. So for this case, what you need is, first of all, you have to check your Microsoft 365 subscription. Copilot is integrated into a Microsoft 365 app, but availability may depend on your subscriptions and licensing as well. And the other thing, what you need is just go to the Word and right click and go to the preferences or the privacy ensure experiences and analyze the content, and all content experiences are enabled as well. Then you have to make sure to verify settings, refresh the page or start Word to see if the Copilot appears. And if Copilot is still missing, ensure your Microsoft 365 app are updated to the latest version. And likewise, Copilot might appear in the ribbon or as a dialog box. And that is how you'll be able to enable the Copilot in Microsoft Store. That's how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.